Next, Michael addition reaction. Michael addition reaction. Here, compounds containing electron withdrawing group. That means RCH2 NO2 group, which is a electron withdrawing group. That is reacted with compounds containing double bond R2C double bond O CH3. It is R2. There is hydrogen. Here like this. Compounds containing electron withdrawing group, which is reacted with compounds containing double bonded compound. These two are combined to form addition product. These two are combined to form addition product, that is like this. That is R2 C. Here it will like this. ఇలా ఉందండి ఆరు ఆరు ఇలా ఉంది ఇలా ఉంది కాంపౌండ్. It may be there is a formation of compound like this. R C. Here double bond is by hydrogen and C is attached to that ring RC and O2. There is double bond is converted to single bond by taking that H, and here also CH2 C double bond O CH3. Here there is a presence of base. What is this called? Michael addition reaction. The addition reaction between the compound which is having electron withdrawing group, the compound which is having double bond. These two are combined to form addition product. Addition product in the presence of base. In the presence of base, this reaction is called Michael addition reaction. Here also secondary, which is also reactant, that is NO2 plus RC or double bond CH double bond CH3. Here also one alpha hydrogen is present. That alpha hydrogen attached here. There is a linkage that is formed compound like this. That is RCR and C, R and R. That is NO2. Here it is there is CH2 and C double bond O CH3, which is addition production. Addition product. That addition product is called managed addition reaction. ఇది దేనికి దేనికి మధ్య జరుగుతుంది అనేటువంటి క్లియర్ ఉంది కదా. ఎలక్ట్రాన్ విత్డ్రాయింగ్ గ్రూప్ కంటైనింగ్ కాంపౌండ్ కి కాంపౌండ్ which is having double bond, కి మధ్యలో దేని బ్రాంచ్ లో జరుగుతుంది, బేస్ బ్రాంచ్ లో జరిగితే ఏది ఫామ్ అవుతుంది? there is a addition product formation జరుగుతుంది. This is called Michael addition reaction. Then reduction reactions ఉన్నాయండి, అవి ఎలా ఉంటాయో చూద్దాం. Here last reactions, they are reduction reactions. different type of reagents gives different type of products by using RCH2 NO2 ఉందమ్మా. ఇది మనకి టిన్ అండ్ HCl లో చేసినట్లయితే టిన్ అండ్ HCl లో చేసినట్లయితే ఒక కాంపౌండ్ వస్తుంది. దట్ మీన్స్ ద కాంపౌండ్ ఇస్ simply RCH2 NH2. But NO2 group is reduced to iminobrome, yeah, which is nitro alkane, which is converted into amine, while treated with which is a reduction reaction. While treated with zinc and ammonium chloride, suppose we have to take CH3 NO2 Zn and NH4Cl, there is a formation of oxide. It is CH3 NH2OH. CH3NH2OH. This is called oxide. That is nothing but hydroxyl amine. Hydroxy group ni amine ఉంది కాబట్టి which is hydroxyl amine. Sorry. Then form ఉంది hydroxyl amine form అవుతుంది. While CH3 CH2 NO2 is treated with stannous chloride and HCl, SnCl2 and HCl. There is a formation of oxide and hydroxyl amine CH3 CH2 NH2OH plus CH3 CH double bond NOH, which is hydroxyl amine. Also oxide formation. ఇది మీరు జస్ట్ ఉందని నేర్చుకోవడానికి మాత్రం ఉపయోగపడతాయి, అంతకు మించి ఎక్కువ ఉపయోగపడవు. ఇది ఫైనల్ రియాక్షన్స్ ఏవైతున్నాయో అవి దీంట్లో చేసినట్లయితే ఏమొస్తుంది, ఏమీ వచ్చింది. జీవన్ దీంట్లో చేసినట్లయితే ఏమొచ్చింది, హైడ్రాక్సిల్ ఏమీ వచ్చింది. స్టానస్ ద్వారా HCl చేసినట్లయితే హైడ్రాక్సిల్ ఏమీలో ఆక్సైడ్ ఫార్మేషన్ జరుగుతుంది. ఇది ఇక్కడతో ఫస్ట్ చాప్టర్ అనేటువంటిది కంప్లీట్ అయింది. నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్, దట్ ఈస్ nitrogen compounds. Second compounds, that is nitrogen compounds. Nitrogen compounds. Nitrogen compounds. In that nitrogen compounds, very important one is amine. Amines గురించి మాట్లాడాలి. What are the set of amines? Amines means here NH2 group which is attached to that carbon chain. Amines are classified into several categories in that means which is exhibit primary amine, secondary amine, including that quaternary amine also present. Here which is a primary amine CH3 CH2 NH2 which is a primary amine. Primary amine because of it is primary amine. Here imino group attached to that carbon atom which is directly attached with only one carbon, that's why it is primary amine. Here CH3 CH and the CH3 NH2, which is said to be secondary amine. Sorry, ఇక్కడ ఎమిన్స్ కి మామూలుగా క్లాసిఫికేషన్ చెప్పకూడదండి. ఇది ఎమిన్స్ కి మామూలుగా ఉండడానికి వేరియేషన్ ఉంటుంది. ఏంటి అంటే రిమైనింగ్ అది ఏం చెప్తాం, ఏదైతే గ్రూప్ ఉందో అది అటాచ్ ఉన్నటువంటి కార్బన్ లింక్ తో చెప్తాం. బట్ ఇన్ కేస్ ఆఫ్ ఎమిన్స్ విచ్ ఇస్ స్పెషల్ కేటగిరీ, అంటే NH2 ఉంది, NH2 కార్బన్ కి అటాచ్ అయినట్లయితే విచ్ ఇస్ ప్రైమరీ ఎమిన్, విచ్ ఇస్ ప్రైమరీ ఎమిన్. అంటే యాక్చువల్గా ఇది దేనికి ఫామ్ అవుతుందంటే అమ్మోనియా నుంచి ఫామ్ అవుతాయండి అన్ని. అమ్మోనియాలో ఉన్నటువంటి హైడ్రోజన్స్ రిప్లేస్మెంట్ బట్టి మనకి ఎమిన్స్ వస్తాయి. అమ్మోనియాలో ఉన్నటువంటి వన్ ఆఫ్ ది హైడ్రోజన్స్ రిప్లేస్డ్ విత్ ఆల్కైల్ గ్రూప్ ఇస్ సెడ్ టు బి ప్రైమరీ ఎమిన్. Here other hydrogen is also balanced with like this, that is secondary amine. Here NH like this, this is said to be secondary amine. And CH3 N CH3 here it is tertiary amine. Here primary, secondary, tertiary also there is a presence of last one, that is quaternary amine. It is CH3 and CH3X, which is called quaternary ammonium salt, which is called quaternary, not quaternary ammonium salt, quaternary ammonium salt. Then we are discussing about the preparations of amines. We are going to discussing about the preparations of amines. Amines ఏవైతే వాటి యొక్క ప్రిపరేషన్స్ సంబంధించి చూసినట్లయితే the first one is ammonolysis of preparations, which is ammonolysis of alkyl halides. Ammonolysis of alkyl halides. Here first suppose we have to take C2H5I. There is a alkyl halide, it is reacted with ammonia. There is formation of HM molecule to form a primary amine like this, C2H5NH2. Here it is there is a byproduct, that is HI, which is primary amine. The reaction is not stopped at this phase because of here including the hydrogen there is a lone pair of electrons on that nitrogen atom. They are also involved in this reaction. Then second one, C2H5 I plus C2H5 NH2. Here also HI is eliminated. There is a formation of compound like this, that is C2H5NH, C2H5, including that the HI is formed, which is secondary amine. Then that is reacted with C2H5I plus C2H5NH, C2H5. Here also there is a formation of compound like this, that is C2H5N, C2H5 and C2H5, which is tertiary amine, stays. That is C2H5I reacted with textile means into H5 thrice N. There is a formation of quaternary ammonium salt like this. That is C2H5N, C2H5 and C2H5 and C2H5I minus. So there is a positive charge here. This is the first preparation for this reaction. ఇక్కడ అమ్మోనియాలో ఉన్నటువంటి అన్ని హైడ్రోజన్స్ తో పాటు దాని మీద ఉన్నటువంటి లోన్ పేర్ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ కూడా రియాక్షన్ లో ఇన్వాల్వ్ అవుతాయి. ఇది ఫస్ట్ ప్రిపరేషన్. దెన్ నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ వన్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ రియాక్షన్, దట్ ఈస్ గ్యాబ్రియల్ థాలిమైడ్ సింథసిస్ రియాక్షన్. Here the second preparation, that is Gabriel Thalamide synthesis. Thalamide or thalamide synthesis. Here which is very important reaction indeed. For this we have to take thalic acid. Thalic acid. Compulsory we have to know the structure of the thalic acid like this, which is called thalic acid. Thalic acid is reacted with ammonia to form thalic anhydride. That means thalamine. That is like this. That is C double bond O NH, which is called thalamide, which is then reacted with aqueous KOH. There is a loss of water molecule to form compound like this. That is potassium salt of thalamide. C double bond O N plus K minus, sorry, N minus and K plus, which is called potassium salt of thalamide. Further it is mixed with alkyl halide RX. There is a elimination of KX to form an alkyl thalamide. C double bond O N R, which is called an alkyl thalamide. An alkyl thalamide on hydrolysis, which is converted into like this. That is RNH2. RNH2, including that there is a formation of in the terms of NaOH చేస్తుంది కాబట్టి sodium salt of thalamide form అవుతుంది, thalic acid form అవుతుంది. COONA and COONA formation జరుగుతుంది. This reaction is called Gabriel Thalamide synthesis. మీరు ఇక్కడ నుంచి రాస్తే సరిపోద్దండి. అలాగా here thalamide is reacted with aqueous KOH to form potassium salt of thalamide. Further it is treated with alkyl halide to form analkyl thalamide. On hydrolysis in the presence of base to form primary amine, which is very important one. Primary amine, that too which is aliphatic primary amine. Aliphatic primary amine, very important reaction. The next one is half-pint bromide degradation reaction. Then there is a reaction that is half-pint bromide degradation reaction. Here I have to take amide or C-double-bond-O NH2 reacted with bromine in the presence of NaOH to form carbons reducing amine or NH2. Carbon reducing amine form NaBr and H2O hydroxyl here. But there is Na2CO3 also formed, which is 4 moles, which is 4 moles. Sorry. Here amide is converted into amine. ఇది రియాక్షన్ ఇక్కడతో ఈ యొక్క ప్రిపరేషన్స్ అయింది. తర్వాత గ్రూప్ ప్రాపర్టీ చూద్దాం. ఏంటమ్మా ఈ ప్రిపరేషన్లో ఏం మాట్లాడుకున్నాం అంటే ఎమైడ్ డేగ్రేడేషన్ అంటే మొక్కలు అవడం. ఇది మొక్క అవుతుంది. ఆ మొక్క పోయి ఏమొస్తుంది? డైరెక్ట్గా ఎంజిన్ వస్తుంది. ఇది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. అంటే నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్లో మిగతా విషయాలు మాట్లాడతాం.